I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
What's going on, guys? Good morning. Welcome back to my video. I'm on my way to the gym. As you already know, it is another full body day. So last week we did 100 kg on the deadlift. Today we're gonna have to beat that goal. And after the gym, I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek of what I've been working on behind the scenes. So you may want to stick around for it.
Best of me, they want the best of me now. Best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me. Swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it all, you got one life to ball. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it all. Need a hand out, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand.
Workout is complete, bro. Quite happy today. We got 120 kg on the deadlift. You gotta realize this is a month after not doing any deadlift at all, so super happy with the results today. The goal is 180 kg, so still got a long way to go. If you guys wondering where I get my sick cutoff tanks from, first link in the description. If you use my code, that's gonna get you another 10% off. Alright, let's head home and I'm gonna give you guys that sneak peek. Wow, still the best flavor, milk tea flavor all the way. I'm not even sponsored. If you're into milk tea, definitely go check it out, My Protein. Anyways, as you all know, my website is in the final phases. There are two goals that I set out for myself this year. One is starting my YouTube channel and the other is finally getting a website live. I am so excited, so today I think I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek of the website. Alright, so the website is gonna look like this. So you're gonna have this home page with all the information, my services over here, and then you're gonna have a section about me. Here's a little teaser clip and a little section about my past and how I got started with the gym. Here you will see all my socials, so this is pretty cool. So if you click this button, it's gonna show you all my recent YouTube videos, so you really have everything in one place. But the coolest thing about this is that if you click this button, start your journey, that's gonna take you to the programs and plans. And if you look at this, these will be essentially the two plans that I will be offering. One is the 12 weeks get lean, which is focused on fat loss. One is the 12 weeks get jacked, which is focused on strength. So if you have no idea which program it will be more suited to your goals, I created a free physique quiz, which will take no more than 2 minutes for you to complete. All you gotta do is fill in a few details about yourself, and at the end of this quiz, it's going to point you to the right direction so you have a better understanding which program of mine is more suited towards your goal. Today for a daily stroll, we decided to switch things up a bit. We're 30 minutes away from London City at Richmond Park. Yo, this place is massive. Check that out. So we're actually here on a mission because Nikki promised me that there will be deers walking around. If I was a deer, I don't know. Where do you think we would be?
I think I would be like hidden away and by the water. What do you think?
Like around, yeah, I would definitely be away from people. We just stumbled across some black, round-shaped, probably what appears to be deer poop. Oh, must mean we're close.
1 hour later.
Guys, I think we just spotted a deer. Mission accomplished. Hold on. We're gonna try and get a bit closer to the deer. All right. Oh my God. Oh, he's right there. Wow, he's such a beauty. You know what they say? You find one deer, you find the pack. So we're just gonna follow this deer, and this deer is gonna hopefully lead us to the pack. Well, actually nobody said that, but I just made it up. Guys, what did I say? Follow the deer, they will lead us to the pack. It doesn't matter if I'm training or on a rest day, I always like to get out here and just, get some active cardio in. A lot of people may say doing cardio can lose gains, but that's only if you do excessive amounts of cardio. Like if you do moderate amounts of cardio, that is completely fine, and all that's gonna do is improve your heart health. So it doesn't matter which program you pick. When my programs do go live, there's going to be a slot for active cardio, and what that essentially means is it can be whatever. You can take a slow walk in the park, you can go for a light jog, you can go work on the pads for 30 minutes, or you can find some deers at Richmond Park. So for dinner, we're at this place called Buenos Aires. I think it's an Argentinian steak place. Let me just show you guys what we got. This is like the first dine-in experience we ever had. Like, I think it was in 5 months, so it is quite a feeling right now. So let me show you what we're working on. Nikki got some ribeye, 220 gram, I believe. And over here, we got a fat piece of, I think it's called rump steak, 250 gram. Both of them are medium rare because what the heck, you only eat steak medium rare. With steak, we're also having some carbs and of course some devil's juice. Great ass steak. What a experience. Wow. How was the steak?
11 out of 10.
11 out of 10. Wow, that's a bit much, I would say. My steak
so
wasn't medium rare, it was more medium, so I'm gonna knock it down to
Well, we had different steaks.
9.10.
So mine was 11 out of 10.
Yeah, true, she had a ribeye. I'm gonna wrap the video up here. If you're ever in the Richmond area, you gotta check out that place out where we just had dinner. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, you know what to do. Give this video a like, smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, welcome, bro. I will appreciate it if you can hit subscribe and turn bell notification on, because I drop videos just like this every single week. With that said, I hope everyone stays safe, stay healthy, and I'll speak to